Are you looking to earn extra income online? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the world of Microworkers, a platform that connects employers with freelancers for quick and easy micro job. And to start with this wonderful website, simply head on over to Microworkers or microworkers.com and choose the official site. I have here a lot of results. Like you see, I have this similar website here. It's called Click Worker. We talked about this website before in my channel. You can check her out. And I have also the definition on Wikipedia and their page on Instagram. So the first website is the official site template. Microworkers working on or offer a micro job. Let's click on it. And like you see, once you click to the site, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need on the website. And also these two buttons here where you can register or log in if you have already an account on Microworker. And all the services here is that you need just to click on it to start using it. Millions of surveys over here. So we're gonna come back to this one later after I show you how to register or how to create an account for the first time. And to do that, you need just to go to this blue button over here, the register, and click on it. So we have two steps here for the sign up. Like you see, the first one is the new account information. The second one is the email verification. Okay, well, you when you're gonna complete the creating your informations, they will ask you for the confirmation of the email address, and you need just to do that. So the different information that you need to enter or give them, it's the first one is the first name. I have the information are already here. So the first name, the middle name, this one is optional. If you don't have a middle name, you can just write whatever you want or just skip that step. And for the last name, okay, it's Brian. The gender, that means you are male, female, or other. Okay, I will click on female. And for company, it's also optional. When you find this optional, okay, I told you this before. And the birthday, the month, the day, and the year. So the email address is here and the password is over here. For the password, you need to click one that you can easily remember it. And the address is already here, and you have two addresses, address line 1 and address line 2 if you have it. And the zip code or the postal code, then the city, the state or the region, and the country of residence. You need just to select the country. There is here all the country around the world. Then the employee subscription, newsletter, the API updates, or take the relevant box if you don't have or want to subscribe to email notification. And we have for this one here the worker subscription, newsletter, feature tags, and by registering you confirm that you accept the terms and condition and the privacy policy, and click on submit. Okay, let's excuse me, the address. Okay, please provide a valid mailing address. Okay, the mailing address here is wrong. Okay, Susan Brian. Okay, the address is wrong. So I just show you the different information that you need to enter. I will not create a real account. Now it's still just one step. It's the email verification. When you're gonna do or click on submit over here, they will send for you an email to check it out and click a link. And after that, you will just to rewrite your email address and your password, and you will just connect to your account easily. Now let's come back to the site to explain to you the different services that the website is present to us. Okay, give me one moment. So the website, like I said before, is a crowdsourcing platform that connects employers with workers who can complete small tasks or micro jobs online. These tasks are typically simple and can include things like data entry, content moderation, image tagging, online researches, and more. And for the micro workers, allow businesses and individuals to outsource these tasks to a global pool of workers. So for these multi-services here, like you see the survey, content moderation, survey and translation, or also we can call it the employers post micro jobs. The employers create tasks or micro jobs on the Microworkers platform. They provide detailed instructions and specify the requirements for completing the task. Like example, let's try to use one from these micro jobs here, like the survey. Let's click on use this. So you need just to read the following information about the survey that we need. We click on the take a survey experience working online. There's no better way to know the truth of those who seek job online than to conduct a survey about their insights regarding online outsourcing. These editable templates suffocate all the question you need to gather feedback from them. So this is the track or the task instruction. Take a survey, which will take about 10 until 15 minutes of your time. And this survey result will be used for the report for the international organization, and also your email address will be also kept confidential. For the bonus, the last question is a bonus question where you can get up to $2 bonus depending on the length and quality of the answer. So you need just to complete this information about you here to take the job, and they will answer to you on the Gmail address. And you can do the same way to all the jobs here: the content moderation, translation, image tagging, and also the content moderation, and all the stuffs here. And for the task verification, the ones where they submit a completed task, the employer reviews and verify the work. If the task meets the specific requirements, the worker is credited with the payment. So this will be the last of our video today. I hope you get to understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So the last thing is bye bye, my guys, to the next video and next website. I hope you still in good health until that time.